Hello YouTube, it's RJ the West here. So for today we're actually going to cover the Kurtz 31 patrol boat, or as I simply like to call it, the gunboat. We're going to see how effective this vehicle is in the hands of the NPCs. I have set up a quick scenario to see how effective the gunboat is in the hands of NPCs. I have 8 NPCs in here that are allied to us, and we're up against a good swarm of enemy Havocs, as well as enemy Speedos. Oh, jet skis. Now, the ones in the machine guns, the ones in the gunboats and machine guns are equipped with miniguns for continuous fire. The driver and the passenger of the gunboats is equipped with tactical SMGs, and as you can already see, it's kind of a slaughter. It's a little unfair, don't you think? Oh, there's one left. See how long it lasts. And it blew up. Those 50 cals tear right into those helicopters like they're nothing. Now for this upcoming scenario, I've given 4 NPCs 100% accuracy in the gunboat. The 2 front, the driver and the passenger are the heavy revolver Mark II, and of course the other 2 gunners have a minigun. Again, continuous fire. And we're up against a swarm of 16 Havocs to see who is gonna win. This is just sad, dude. Havocs do have a chance of taking out their gunners. To be fair though, when you're in the gunboat and you're in the 50 cal machine guns, you are vulnerable of getting killed. You are pretty out there, though. Talk about clearing the skies. Now you're probably wondering how effective the gunboat would be against land vehicles. Well, I set up a quick experiment to see how effective they can be against ground or land vehicles, such as the weaponized Tampa or the technical Aqua. Man, the sprites for the fire for the 50 cals is so So to summarize it, the gunboat's not a bad vehicle to put in any of your capture jobs. In the hands of the NPC, this gunboat's actually pretty damn good. Pretty good, I'll say. Alright then, everybody take care.